So the work-based project management module is aimed at trying to give people some practical tools and an overview of project management in the workplace. So this is stuff that they can actually bring to their projects that they're going to do and hopefully have a beneficial practical effect in making that project more successful.
The module is designed to encompass a whole range of styles of project management to help you be as effective as possible at work. So rather than focusing exclusively on one project management technique, we look at a whole range, including ones like Agile, Prince2, Six Sigma, and we teach you how to incorporate elements of those and select individual bits from each of those different techniques to apply them more effectively in your own workplace.
This is going to be in bite-sized chunks, so hopefully people can come devote the right amount of time to it and be able to manage their learning in a practical way.